What is the difference for the court and the expert?
Hi guys.
How are you? Ayan guys. Nandito ako kasi hinintay ko lang dito si Abu Malik. Ayan, ganda dito guys. Nasa 10th floor si Abu Malik. Kaya dito ko lang daw siya hintayin. Nakakaya. Kasi nga may kaso nga sila kasi yung tao dito pumapasok lahat ng abogado guys. Mayroon naman din siguro. Ayan, dito ako maghihintay sa kanya guys. Ayan guys, sa loob ng court yan guys. Ayan guys, yung isang building na yan guys. Bali 3 building to eh. Yung 3 building yan guys. Yung isa yan yung sabi niya ako malik. Pero ayan guys, yung isang yan, yung andan na yan. Parking lot lang pala yan siya guys. Grabe no, ganyan kalaki yung isang building. Isang building lang talaga yung parking. Tapos ayun, yung doon sa kabila, ayun guys, yung sa likod. Yun yung court. Tapos ito pala, itong blue, itong nauna, ayan itong blue is experts. Ayan, yung sa likod, yun yung court guys. Kaya ayan. Wala lang, gusto ko lang i-share yung buong building, parking lang guys. Grabe na, may napakayaman nila kasi yung isang building yan pinagawa lang para lang sa parking, napakalaking parking. Nadami namang parking dito sa labas. Pero gumawa sila ng isang building na napakalaki. Ayan yung court guys sa likod, ayan yung 3 court, tsaka yan yung parking. Tapos ito yung what is this? Expert. Ayan guys. Ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa sakyan. Kalalabas lang namin galing expert kasi nga may hearing din si Abu Malik. Kaya ngayon nandito na kami sa sasakyan. Hindi ako nakapag-video ng madami
You saw now
guys,
the court and expert, huh?
kasi ano,
See the parking too much. But this one, when I go inside, I leave the car. They take and put up. Maybe it's up. They give me card, okay, and they take and when I come back, they take me in machine and they bring from up to down for me.
which one?
How this one the new parking? When we go now, if we go inside, I go down, okay, and they give him the car with key, and they give me card number. They will take and park up. Huh?
Car, your car, it's here.
No, if I go inside, this one, they will park, yani.
Ayan guys, dito na kami kasi hindi ako nakapag-video dun sa loob guys.
Bavan,
Maganda
Aisha?
din doon. Yeah, Bavan. Bavan Engine School. Kasi alam mo naman yun sila guys, yung parang napaka-sensitive. Kaya hindi ako makakapag-video ng gusto ko, kumbaga. Kasi mahirap na, baka bawal or ano. Kaya ayun, hindi na ako nag-video. Mayroon akong konting video doon nung naghintay, doon ako, kung saan ako naghintay kay Abu Malik. Tapos mayroon din yung fountain doon sa loob guys. Kaya ayun lang na videoan ko ma'am. Ayun lang ang nabidyoan ko. Kaya, nandyan din, ipapakita. Nandyan din sa video. Kaya, ayan. Tsaka, yun nga, yung parking nila, di ba? Isang buong building, guys. Parking lang talaga lahat. Sobrang laki. Tatlong building. Yung court. Aywan ko ba, ano bang pagkaiba nun? What is the different, Ahmad, for the court? And the other one, what is that?
Which one? Experts?
Expert. What is the different for the court and the expert?
Court for the judge. And
Okay.
expert is this one if the case transfer to calculate مثلا any case have money يعني like labor case, engineering, like your company or case here now experts.
So you mean the court, it's only for the judge. When you, what this one? You make hearing
You can
like
read
this?
you can read it.
Okay, but I did not understand what is the difference.
This expert is part from Justice Ministry. But okay.
Okay.
Expert is the case come here to if they have any calculation or any engineering issue.
Okay.
You understand now?
But that court, it's only for like hearing.
Hearing for your session, yeah.
Session. Kaya ayun, yun na guys. Kaya pala, pinag-iba nila, hindi isang building lang. At least, di ba, maganda pa ganun. Kaya ayun. Tayo pupunta na ng school ni Malik guys. At titingnan natin. Ayan.
This one Iranian school actually I told you the blue one.
Ngayon na guys, dito
Ano?
na kami sa school na sinasabi ko.
معالي الباشا صباح الانوار اخبارك ايه؟ الله يخليك بخير الصحة ربنا يحفظك. دول يا باشا شركة عربي للطاقة التقرير الحمد لله ورب في صالحنا. ادانا 9864 و
Ayan na guys, yung school. Nandito na kami. Late na kami guys, hindi na siguro ako makapasok nito sa trabaho ko. Yan yung school ng
this all bus for school actually.
Smart Indian School guys. Ayan. Sobrang init kaya